Let's try out another one. We've got strings, we've got integers. Remember, %s, %d. Now, I want to be able to create one string that combines multiple variables. I want to include the name and the age inside of the same string. So once again, I'll bring in print. I've already got the name variable, which is Kyle. I've got the age variable, which is 21. So I'm going to have this print out. I'm going to say hello, and I want to say the name. So I'll do %s, because it's a string. Hello, Kyle. Let's do exclamation mark. You are %d years old. Close that. All right, now I need to tell it, well, which variables are going where? Now this, when you do multiple, it all deals with which variable comes first, just reading left to right. So if I say %, I'm going to use parentheses here. I'm going to do multiple. So I'm going to say name, comma, age. Close my parentheses. So now we are going to insert name into this spot. That one comes first, so it goes into the first variable within the string. Then we got age as the second one. It goes into the second slot. So we got 1, 1, we got 2, 2. All right, let's try it out. I'm going to hit my enter key. And there you have it. Hello, Kyle. You are 21 years old. Just like that. Multiple values. So again, it just reads it left to right. Whatever comes first, that's what goes. And then the next one, and so on. So try this out. Passing multiple variables into a formatted string.